kararating lang ng amo ko. So, ito yung pagkain ko. Alam niyo ba, kapag binigay ito ng alaga akong pagkain, tapos, alam niyo kung ano sinabi niya? Tinawag niya akong sutong. Alam mo ba yung ibig sabihin ng sutong? Sutong is stupid. Tinawag niya akong tanga. Tinawag niya akong stupid. Alam niyo, yan ang pinakamahirap na mararanasan mo kapag nasa ibang bansa at tatawagin ka nilang sutong, stupid, tanga, sutong, stupid, yung ganyan ang tawag sa'yo. Kasi yung Chinese na sutong, no brain. No brain. Pag tinawag kang sutong, it's mean no brain, bobo, tanga. Yan yung may experience mo kapag OFW ka. You very sutong, you very stupid, no brain. Ganon yung may experience mo kapag naging helper ka. So, kayo, kapag gusto nyo mag-abroad, huwag kayong mag-a-abroad kung ayaw nyo may experience na pagsabihan kayo ng sutong, you are very stupid, you don't have brain. Ganon. You know, humanity is the most important things, but they don't know how to respect you. It's very difficult to work. Alam mo yun, yung pinaka wala silang, alam mo yung you must be respect all kinds of people, poor, rich, or the level you have. Yung parang may experience mo yun, no? Not because you're very higher, you can let down other people. Mahirap magtrabaho kasi alam nyo, kaya ayoko mag-abroad yung anak ko kasi yun mararanasan mo yung ganun pang i-insult sa'yo. They will insult you head to toe. They will never respect you. Yun lang. Kaya kayo kapag kapag nag-abroad kayo, asahan nyo na yung ganun na sasabihin sa inyo ng mga amo nyo na sutong, ganun. It means pag sinabihan ka na sutong, stupid, yun na yun. So, yun ang mga bad experience mo kapag pumunta ka sa ibang bansa. Kapag wala kang patience, hindi ka tatagal. Kaya yung mga ibang Indonesian, mga Myanmar, na-depress, na-stress, kasi ganun ang ginagawa ng ibang employer. Yung ibang employer, sinasabihin nila na how stupid you are, how sutong are you. Ganun. Hanggang na-stress na sila, nagkakaroon ng depression, and anxiety, yung feelings na hindi ka nila nire-respect. Kasi, you're only a helper. Why I need to respect you. Ganun. Diba? Kaya ayaw huwag nyo pag-a-abroadin yung pamilya nyo, anak nyo, para hindi sila ma-stress, magkaroon ng depression, yung anxiety, magkaroon ng yung self-pity sa sarili, mga ganun. Pray na lang, magdadasal ka na lang, magpapray ka na lang, but at least, yung experience mo, masasabi mo dito lahat ng bad experience mo, sasabihin mo, gagawin mo na lang tong diary mo na na-experience mo yung ganitong araw na to. Ngayong araw na to is November 13. Yan, yung bad experience mo, telling you how stupid you are. Anyway, sometimes people, you can read their mind. Sometimes people, you can read their